catalytic converters is one of the most important technologies for pollution that has been invented over the last 50 years. It's changed the game in terms of what comes out of that car. Why does it work? It wouldn't work. You wouldn't get rid of these things, these toxic things. You wouldn't get rid of them unless you ran it at like 1,000 degrees. And you're not doing that underneath your car next to the gas tank. But if you put the right catalyst in, all of those reactions to get rid of those toxic chemicals can happen much more quickly and efficiently, right? Okay.